Hi everyone and welcome back to Dish Delish. So today we are trying something new. I'll be making salad from the recipe I received from my aunt Ania from Poland. Ciociu, dzisiaj próbujemy Twój przepis i zobaczymy, co z tego wyjdzie. Let's see how this turns out. With that being said, let's get started. Here is all we need for this recipe. We need 2 pears, we're gonna cut them in 8 even pieces, and then I will show you the next step. We need juice from 1 medium orange for caramelization purposes. So now it's time to caramelize our pears. I haven't done this before, so just come along and we'll see what happens. Gonna set this to medium heat, I think. We're gonna add like a teaspoon or a little more of butter, unsalted one. 1 teaspoon of honey. And this is optional. We can add a tiny bit of balsamic vinegar, just a little bit. Let's mix it and let's place our pears in this mixture. I flipped our pears to the other side. They already changing colors. The juices are reducing, still bubbling, and they smell incredible. I cannot wait to taste this salad. Dzięki, ciociu. Our pears are almost ready. Look at them. I flip them one more time. They change color to golden on both sides, and the juice is, completely reduced. I'm gonna cool them off, and I'm gonna show you what the next step is. So this step is absolutely optional. You don't have to use it. I'll be using prosciutto from H-E-B again, because that's my favorite store, and I do my groceries there. This one is Reserva Stradolce. I'll be frying mine on the pan. You can grill yours until crispy, and then we're gonna put it on our salad. This is the cheese I'll be using. It's Gorgonzola. You can use any aged cheese, blue cheese, halloumi, whatever you prefer. We're gonna slice it, and we're gonna finish our salad. Walnuts are next, and I roasted mine already. Very easy, and they are ready to go. It's time to finish our salad. I hope it works. We're gonna combine all our ingredients, and then we're gonna taste it. Baby arugula. Gonna place our pears on top. This looks so delicious already. Next, we're gonna add our cheese in between our pears. Now I'm gonna add prosciutto. I'm just gonna cut it in little pieces, add it in random places. Look at this. This looks incredible. Okay, so our nuts, in this case walnuts, are next. Let's just sprinkle the salad evenly. Now we're gonna drizzle our salad with the glaze that we made when we were caramelizing our pears. So let's do this. I can't believe how beautiful and tasty the salad looks like. I could not be more grateful to my aunt, ciocia Ania, for sharing this recipe with me. Dziękuję, ciociu, za ten wspaniały przepis. And now it's time to taste it. Okay, I'm ready for my first bite. Look at this. This looks divine. The cheese and nuts and prosciutto, and of course this caramelized pear. Oh my gosh. Let's give it a taste. These ingredients complement each other so well. The sweetness of our pear, saltiness of our cheese, crispiness of our prosciutto, and crunchiness of our nuts, and the color that was added with our arugula. This is just perfect. You can serve this as your appetizer. You can serve this as main dish when you have, for example, book club. Share it with your girlfriends. It's healthy, it's perfect, it's easy, and it's delicious. So, to me, this is definitely Dish Delish. Thank you for trying this recipe with me. Thank you to Ania for sharing this with us. So, thanks again for coming along. Please follow me for more recipes, and I will see you next time. Bye everyone!